A picture of a white flag
Planet
saying
9.
on behalf of the Senator, Speaker Ryan's
They found
abject
another
surrender
planet,
makes it
boys
official. The
and
GOP
girls.
is Trump's party now. Is it?
If it
Yes, of course it
exists.
is. Of course it is.
That's
He just won the
Nibiru,
presidential primary
and it's
contest.
coming, and get ready, boys and girls.
Votes of the majority, the first district of
Stolen by our
Wisconsin,
solar
a couple
system
hundred
stone from
Republican
another star about
So,
4.5 billion years ago.
But again, that's the way it works.
Oh my, okay, here it comes. I mean, this is it. We're having comets hit the Earth, bigger and badder.
Trump, he won't. Will he come
An
to
exoplanet,
embrace the
okay?
basic theme of the Trump campaign, which is
Here's disclosure, folks.
We have something
Here it
for you.
is.
Staring at someone with a $30,000 a year.
While they distract you with this guy and his shit. Look at that. Look at the bottom.
An answer, and they need to come up with a new message.
There it is.
Here's how they got
They
here.
just drag it along the bottom,
The
hoping
decision
nobody
was based
sees
on
it.
an understanding of our mutually
This is what they
agreed
do.
upon principles.
All the good news
Ryan
isn't what
specifically
they're
wanted
talking
to go
about,
over Trump's
because they're
support
all
for executive
aliens
powers,
anyways.
judicial
Who
appointments,
gives a
and his
shit what they
position on
say?
abortion. And we know
Carter says
that
military
Donald Trump
account
put
to
out
me.
his who
Okay.
he'd like to see on the Supreme Court list. So that's where they came together.
There's
But that's a
disclosure.
short
I mean, they
list.
found a planet. They're calling it Planet 9 on the news, but guess what? It's Planet X. Or if it's not, it's just a moon of Planet X, which would make it Planet 9. And Planet X would be another moon. And then there's probably a third moon, which they're going to name 11. And then there's Nibiru, which is the actual big planet, which you cannot see.
And you won't help him campaign on the trail.
And the reason why there's three,
can you consider
the reason why there's 3 planets is because,
Yeah, you know what's interesting too, Dagan?
or I mean, sorry, why there's 3 moons around Nibiru is because we live in a binary star system. So every one has a second. Every sun has a second sun. Everything. If there's 1, there's 2. Okay. If there's plus, there's minus. If there's white, there's black. Blah blah blah. Up. What we do up goes. You know, as above, so below. All that crap. It's all binary. We live in a duality. On and off switch on a computer. Binary system. 0 being off, 1 being on. That's how they create your IP address. That's how they create subnet masks, subnets, all that crap. Make your internet work is all binary. And the reason why is because we live in a binary matrix world universe. Okay? That's it. That's all I want to say, because I'm telling you, Planet 9 is a moon of Nibiru. And we just had another check this out. Let's go to YouTube and let's see what's going on in media.
Oh, well, I think that was a dig at all the conservatives in D.C. who kept saying to him, come over to our side. And he's saying, no, actually, as Tucker pointed out, it's my party now, not yours.
I should have put this was the latest
Mitt Romney's really the last
news on the meteor that just went by. Here we go. Alright, this is what happened, and this is another comment from Nibiru, folks. Here it is.
All of us as leaders can hold ourselves to the high standards.
And this is the front ejection of Nibiru. Okay, this is not this is not the back end of anything. This is comets that it pushed out ahead of it, but there's literally wings on this planet coming in. It's coming in fast. There's 3 moons, about Earth size maybe, or whatever. I have to look it up again. But my research is, yeah, there's like 3 moons, and then there's Nibiru. Nibiru is massive. It's bigger than our sun by like 100 times, maybe even 500 times. It's huge. And this is what's gonna happen, man. It's coming. I'm sorry, but it is coming. There's meteor alerts. Look at this. I didn't even read this. Giant exploding fireballs and bolides have been striking the sky worldwide the past week. American Meteor Society notes that there have been a dramatic increase in fireball meteor activity since the beginning of freaking. Gotta rewind that because I suck.
How far will it go?
Okay, here we go.
Thousands of people came out today to run the race.
The rate has increased exponentially since 2013. Such a significant change should be generated a lot of media attention considering activity in your space while the silence, why exactly is causing such an increase. Following compilation of fire in the sky, webcam videos and images were captured between May 12th and 17th. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna start to notice that we're gonna get lit skies quite a bit. There's gonna be impacts There's going to be, man, you have no idea. Those, the stuff going on right now, it's all coming. It's coming. We're not, you know, if the Pope predicted his death, and he'd be the last Pope, and then Obama said also, or somebody, it's all ties in together to Obama is the last president, the last term is going to be Obama, there's not even going to be another election in November. They know it's coming. They have stockpiles of underground. I told you this, you can look all down my feed. It's all there. Everything is there. There's underground bases that are built. All of the seeds that aren't GMO now are all under there. Food, water, clean, all clean. Not full of lead and ammonia, like ammonium and fluoride and all that. It's all clean. Everything's clean, pristine. It's like a 5-star hotel, 6-star hotel actually. It's better than a Trump hotel. I mean, come on. It's just, here it comes, man. And if I'm wrong, so be it. I don't really give a shit. But guess what? It's coming. It's coming fast. And we only have a few months left. Maybe, give or take, a year. I predicted that by 2028, there's either going to be no atmosphere left or there's going to be a natural disaster like the old Ice Age. And maybe I was wrong by about 10 years. But that's because I'm still learning, I'm still researching, I'm still connecting the dots. I haven't really followed the money yet. Like most people do, they follow the money to get to the bottom of things. And that's what I'm about to start doing. So I'm going to put up more videos about how I do my research, and I'm going to show you why I do it, like how I do it. I don't care if you care or not, it's all for me. But not being a selfish person I am, I'm selfless, and I would love it if people would be more interested in